practice testing or fault detection of domestic and industrial wiring installation and repair. Hello, this is Charumati. Today, let's learn about detect and repair open circuit fault in domestic and industrial wiring. Detect and repair short circuit fault in wiring. Detect and repair earth fault in wiring. Prepare the flowchart for location rectification of fault in domestic wiring installation.
Required tools: connecting screwdriver 100 mm 1 number, combination plier 150 mm 1 number, screwdriver 200 mm 1 number, neon tester 500 volt 1 number, double-ended electrician knife 100 mm 1 number, multimeter 1 number, mega 500 volt 1 number. Electrical fault findings are accurately predicting the repair, damage, leakage, or even mishap in the electrical wiring or circuits to prevent future damages such as shock-related hazards and fires. A set of protocols and guidelines are to be followed which guarantees a safer environment. The tests recommended by the regulations can be used as a diagnostic tool, but the safe working practices described elsewhere must always be observed during the fault-finding procedures. Domestic wiring systems. These are designed to provide electricity to a house or apartment. These systems typically include a main distribution panel or fuse box, which receives power from the electrical utility and distributes it throughout the house via branch circuits. Domestic wiring systems typically use standard 120 volt alternating current AC power with larger appliances like air conditioners and electric stoves using 240 volts. Industrial wiring systems. These are designed to provide electricity to large commercial and industrial facilities such as factories, warehouses, and office buildings. These systems are typically more complex than domestic wiring systems and can include high-voltage power transmission lines, switchgear, transformers, and substations. Industrial wiring systems may use three-phase power, which provides a more efficient and reliable power supply for large machinery and equipment. Common causes for electrical failures: lack of proper care and attention, not using the equipment properly or correctly, deliberate ill-treatment of the equipment. Fault prediction: have a thorough knowledge and understanding of the electrical installation or electrical equipment. Collect information about the fault and the events occurring at or about the time of the fault from the people who were in the area at the time. Begin to predict the probable cause of the fault using his own and other people's skills and expertise. Test some of the predictions using a logical approach to identify the cause of the fault. By following proper precautions and recommendations, both domestic and industrial wiring practice and fault findings are done. Let's start the experiment. Open circuit fault. Consider the circuit as shown in Figure 1 in a domestic installation. For open circuit fault, removal of fuses, etc. are to be done before doing the test by using mega. Check one circuit at a time and then proceed step by step. Check the circuits having two-way switches. The concerned switches may be operated alternately to ensure the correct test result. Check the defective fan, regulators, or lamps by shorting the suspected appliance if necessary and then retest it. Short circuit fault. Make the circuit as shown in Figure 2 and connect the mega if it shows continuity in both on and off positions of the switch. This indicates short and circuit. Check insulation resistance between the cables of the installation and earth. Connect the mega terminal E to the live wire and L to the corresponding neutral wire. The mega will read 0 or very low value of insulation resistance and confirms the short circuit. Repeat the test procedures in each and every circuit and locate the shorting point of the live and neutral wire by inspection and remove it by insulating the bare conductors. Earth fault. As per the circuit as shown in Figure 3, keep all the fuses, switches, bulbs, etc. in closed position as indicated in the figure. Note: isolate the live conductor from neutral. Remove all other lamps and other equipments connected with wiring. Switch on all the switches. Using insulation resistance tester, terminal E of the mega connect to the earth point of the system provided at the meter board and terminal L of the mega with each conductor in turn at the main board cutout terminal, and rotate the handle of the mega to send current through closed circuit formed between conductor and earth. Note down the reading of the meter, which gives directly the insulation resistance between the conductor and earth. Repeat the same step for other circuits, sub-circuits, live conductors, and main switchboard, etc. Flowchart for rectification of fault. Prepare the flowchart for finding fault and rectification. The Figure 4 shows the flow diagram for rectification of the fault in a domestic wiring installation.
Recap: detecting and repairing open circuit fault in domestic and industrial wiring, short circuit fault in wiring, earth fault in wiring, flow chart for location rectification of fault in domestic wiring installation. Thus, we have learned how to practice testing or fault detection of domestic and industrial wiring installation and repair. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.